Hey, mathematicians. Today we are going to try to work some more and figure out some more of these clues so we can figure out who this Heartbreak Hitman is. This is our possible suspects list. And if you've not solved clues 1 and 2, you need to go do that first before you can do clues 3 and 4 today. We're going to review them now. So, clue 1, we had to subtract. And the clue that we found is the Heartbreak Hitman was seen wearing a watch. He was wearing a watch. So on our possible suspects list all the names here, their gender, if they're tall or short, their hair color, the eye color, and what they're wearing. They're either wearing a hat or a watch. And the clue told us that the Heartbreak Hitman was seen wearing a watch. So, that means if they're wearing a hat, they are not the Heartbreak Hitman. So, let's see. Kyle Arrow, it's a hat, so I'm going to eliminate him. Billy Wilson is a hat. Kenny Myers, that's a watch. That could be a possible suspect. Talora Zaman is a hat, so we can eliminate. Jackie Knapp is a watch, so we're going to keep. Sonia Steele is a watch. Craig Dupe is a hat, so we can eliminate him. The next several are watches. And then there's one more hat down here, Shane Pratt, that we can eliminate. So we eliminated 5 suspects with clue 1. Okay, clue 2. You counted, Skip counted, and found out all of the arrows smell like ladies' perfume. All of the arrows smell like ladies' perfume. So, if it smells like a lady's perfume, then it's going to be a lady. So, a lady is a female, and males are men. So, we know the Heartbreak Hitman is a female. So, if it's a male, we're going to get to eliminate today. Okay? So, Kenny Myers is a male. So, I'm going to delete him. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Jackie Knapp and Sonia Steele are both females, so we got to keep them. Let's see. Zizzy Whittle is a female. Got to keep. These next two, Archie Hart and Marco Perez, are males, so we can eliminate them. Got 3 more females that we'll keep as suspects, and then 2 more down here. So we were able to eliminate 3 more suspects. So we still got to figure out which one of these is the Heartbreak Hitman. And today we're going to do clues 3 and 4 to help solve this. Now, you can do this 2 ways. You can do this, if you have the paper copy and you want to actually cut up the paper and do it and glue it on there and then take a picture, that's fine. Or if you want to manipulate and move all these little squares in Seesaw, that's fine too. So this clue right here, ordering numbers, this is clue 3. Discover another clue by arranging the numbers below in ascending order. I'm reading the directions right up here. Ascending order means going from littlest numbers up to the biggest numbers. Cut out the numbers paired with letters at the bottom of the page. Arrange and paste them from the smallest to largest in the empty boxes to make the letters reveal a clue. I've already cut them all up here, and I've got them in a stack. And I'm going to use a 100 board a little bit as a tool to help me. So you can use one of your 100 boards. But I've got all these numbers. We're not going to pay any attention to the letters yet, but we're going to put these numbers in order. Okay, this is number 11. That's kind of a small number, so I'm going to kind of leave it at the top. We're going to have to kind of move it around. Let's see. 8. 8 comes before 11, so I'm going to put it in front. I might have to move it around some more. 23, that's after 11, so I'm going to kind of put it down here, knowing I'm going to probably have to move it. Then this next one, 208. Wow, that's going to go, I'm going to put it down here at the bottom, because that's probably going to be one of the last ones. I don't know how much they go up to. All right, 138, so that's going to go, I'll put it kind of there. 19. That's going to go after 11, but before 23. So I'm going to put it right there. I might have to move it. All right, the next one is 70. I don't know where that might go. Maybe we'll just kind of stick it in the middle here. Whoa, 280. Now look, this one is 208. Let me zoom in real close. You can see. The Y is 208. The E is 280. 280 is much bigger. So I'm going to kind of slide him over. Don't glue anything down until you're completely finished, because 280 is going to come after 208. Okay, next one I've got is 188. Let's see. It's going to go after 138, but before 208. Now, that doesn't make a word, so I know I'm going to have to move some stuff around. That's okay. So what you're going to kind of continue to do is look at these numbers and decide and keep moving them around until you get them in order from the smallest number all the way to the biggest number. You're not going to have all 280 numbers. There's not that many spaces up here. You're just putting them in order with the ones you've got. Okay, so let's look right here. This next number, the last number we'll do together, is 118. Now, 118. It's going to go before 138, so I'm going to kind of stick it right here on the word before. Might have to move it. Okay, so you're going to continue to sort these and put them in order and continue to move them around and put them in order. These may or may not be their final resting spaces that you see on the screen right now. This is just what I've done so far. So you can choose to actually do this with the paper and cut them out and glue them on the paper, or you can choose to move the pieces around and seesaw, however you want to do it. When you get it done, it's going to reveal another clue and help you eliminate some more suspects. All right, now we're going to look at clue 4. Clue 4, even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. An unusual witness has given you instructions to color all of the boxes with even numbers in red and all of the odd numbers in blue. Doing this will reveal a feature about the suspect. So we have to decide, we're reviewing even and odd today, we have to decide if each number is even or if it's odd. So what does that mean? Well, let's review. Like the first number is 3, okay? I got 3 cubes here. An even number is a number that can be divided into 2 equal groups. Okay, so like I'm going to pass these out. For me, my friend, me. Are these equal groups? No, this side has 2 and this side has 1. So an even number has equal groups. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into 2 equal groups. So number 3 is odd. And the directions up here say odd numbers are blue. Odd numbers are blue. So I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to color the 3 box blue. Okay, then let's look at another one here. How about 12? You're going to have to do this for every single number. So how about 12? Let's do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, here's my 12 cubes. I want to see if I can put them into equal groups and they be even, or not equal groups and be odd. So let's see. I'm going to divide these out. Me, my friend, me, my friend, me, friend, me, friend, me, friend, me, friend. How many's in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So are these equal groups? Can 12 be divided into equal groups? Yes, it can. It's the same. So the number 12 is even. And the directions say color the boxes with even numbers red. So box 12 will be even. So you will continue like that and just keep deciding if they're even or odd and coloring them either red or blue. When you do that, this whole puzzle, this whole board up here is going to reveal a clue about the suspect. It's going to tell you something that the suspect is. Now, it would be very difficult for some of these larger numbers to determine if they're even or odd by using objects. So if you'll remember way back to even and odd, um, when we did this, we learned some patterns and some other things, and we worked on some of those numbers. So I'm going to link a video in the description of this assignment that helps you go back to that if you want to go back and look at it. Okay, so can't wait to see your work and help you review all of this stuff so we can find that heartbreak hitman. We are going to find that guy and take care of him.